Hello everyone, myself Kunjal Mehta from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ahmedabad. Today I am going to discuss about the topic common base amplifier. We have studied the different types of the amplifier using BJT. What is BJT? Bipolar junction transistor. And which are the types of the BJT amplifier? Common base, common emitter and common collector amplifier. The most important common emitter amplifier which is used as an amplifier in most of the circuit in which emitter terminal is common, right? In common collector amplifier, the collector terminal is common. And in today's topic, common base amplifier, CB amplifier in which base is common. Okay? What is the meaning of common? Base is grounded and other two terminals will be used as a input and output. Let us discuss about the construction and main features of the common base amplifier. First of all, common base amplifier, if we are using the bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT, that means it will have three main terminals, collector, base and emitter. As I have discussed earlier, CB amplifier, that means base is common, emitter is input and collector is output. So we will use VDB circuit. What is the full form of the VDB? Voltage divider biasing. So as per the voltage divider biasing, we will have one RB resistance on the base terminal. But it is divided into two resistances R1 and R2. So that's why we can say this is the circuit which is voltage divider biasing circuit. R1, R2, RC, RE. This is collector resistance, this is emitter resistance, okay? And RB is divided into two resistances R1, R2. This is the parallel combination of R1 and R2. This is the total power supply plus VCC is given to the collector, and using this power supply plus VCC biasing is provided via R1 and R2 to the base terminal. Now, most important point, as per the topic common base should be grounded. So, here I have connected base which is common. The C1, that is coupling capacitor. We are not applying any input through this base. So it is just the capacitor and base is common to the ground. Now remaining two terminal, emitter and collector. We will apply input signal or source Vin to the emitter terminal through C3 capacitor. Similarly, we will collect output Vout signal through C2 coupling capacitor through the collector, right? That means I want to explain that input is applied to emitter and output is collected from the collector. So according to that, input and output signals are coupled via capacitors. So C2, C3 are known as the coupling capacitors. Okay, fine. So this is the DC biasing circuit of common base amplifier. Now let us come to the point of equivalent circuit of CB amplifier. AC equivalent circuit. This is the main circuit which is known as DC circuit because we are applying the plus VCC DC supply. Okay, and now we are drawing from that DC circuit equivalent circuit which is known as AC model of CB amplifier. Now there are two types of the AC models. One is known as pi model and another is known as T model. So this is just a pi model of CB amplifier in which we can see this is the ammeter terminal, base terminal, and this is the collector terminal. Out of these three terminals, base is common, that means grounded, and BJT symbol, bipolar junction symbol using three terminals, base, emitter, collector, which will be shown by equivalent circuit of pi model through one diode internal resistance and one collector current source. Input is nothing but the diode internal resistance and output is collector current, constant current source. This is the symbol of constant current source. Look at this again, the DC bias circuit in which plus VCC is applied and capacitors are also connected. But in AC circuit, we will have to remove the plus VCC and capacitors. So this is the equivalent circuit of AC common base amplifier. So it's just a pi model in which you are representing your main DC circuit. So first I have drawn the simple pi model, reverse pi. Actually it is reverse pi. It looks like reverse pi in which base is common, emitter is input, left hand side, and collector is output on right hand side. Input is nothing but the base emitter voltage VBE, which is considered to be bit RE dash or RE dash, which is internal resistance of the diode, and output is represented by constant current source, right? Now further equivalent circuit will be drawn by considering the input output resistances. So look at this, input is given to the emitter, so input resistance is RE and output is collected from the collector terminal. So output resistance will be RC. Okay. So input resistance is we will draw on left hand side and output circuit which we will draw on output side, right hand side. Okay. So RE is drawn parallel to the RE dash on left hand side, source side, and RC and RL, two output resistance, load resistance is always at the output side, right? So RC and RL parallel combination will be connected across collector current source, constant current source. Okay, fine. So for CB amplifier, this is the equivalent circuit of AC model. This is the input source. Source is shown here also. So this is the input port and this is the output port. It is also known as hybrid circuit of two port network. One is input port and one is output port. In input port, input considerations and assumptions of DC circuits will be taken out, and on right hand side output assumptions are drawn. After CB amplifier AC model, we will have to analyze this circuit. Let's analyze. V out and V in formula. All of we know as per the Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. If we are considering the output formula, output voltage formula, so you will have to write down the output current into output resistance. Similarly, input voltage formula, which will have, as per the Ohm's law, input current and input resistance. So according to this, V out equal to IC into RC. Right now we are ignoring RL because the small RC is equal to the parallel combination of RC RL. Not ignoring, but RC parallel RL, we will have the one value and which will be denoted by small rc. In previous lecture also I have discussed that in AC equivalent circuit analysis, we will mention the parameters in small letters. Okay, fine. So we'll not write down the capital letters resistances over here. We will write down here the small letters. So V out equal to output current into output resistance, IC into RC. IC into RC, that is RC parallel RL combination. Final result of RC parallel RL. So IC/RC is equal to V out. Similarly, V input formula is equal to input current is IE. Look at this from the circuit diagram AC model. IE is the input current and RE dash is the input resistance, main input resistance. Okay. For VDB means voltage divider biasing circuit, we assumed that IC is approximately IE. So we can also write down IC equal to IE. So in further analysis, we can simplify the equation easily. So now let's define the voltage gain. What is voltage gain? AV, it is denoted by AV, is equal to output voltage upon input voltage. Voltage gain, that means it is the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. So just put these two formulas of equation number 1 and 2, V output here, and in denominator we have written here this V input. Now for VDB circuit, we have assumed that IC equal to IE. So just replace IC equal to IE. So both currents will be cancelled out and final answer will be RC upon RE dash. Okay. What is RC? AC collector resistance, because it is written in small letter. So it is not DC resistance. It is only AC model resistance. Okay. So for that we can define that voltage gain is the ratio of AC collector resistance to the AC emitter resistance. Z out, that is output impedance definition, that is RC. Okay. Z in, what is input impedance? That is related to the emitter terminal, because for common base input is applied to the emitter. So Z in, that is regarding to the emitter input impedance, that is defined as the ratio of emitter voltage to the emitter current, VE upon IE. What is VE? As per the Ohm's law, I into R. So I can write down here that IE into RE dash. IE will be cancelled out. So final answer is RE dash. Next, Z in circuit means stage. The final Z in is equal to, you can take RE dash parallel RE. Okay. For the whole stage, for input port, Z in stage is defined as RE dash parallel RE. You can take RE also into the account, but always RE dash is very bigger than RE dash. Capital RE is bigger than RE dash, more than RE dash, very large. So in parallel combination, we can ignore the bigger quantity. So also finally, equivalent answer is RE dash. Okay, now let us discuss about the advantages of CB amplifier. It is used to couple low impedance source to high impedance load. Features are very important. Input signal is applied to the emitter and amplified output is collected at collector with respect to ground. Again, these all features are written from this DC biasing circuit in which base is common to the ground, input signal is applied to the emitter and output signal is collected from the collector terminal of BJT. The signal will be amplified in CB amplifier. Here the gain is not 1. It is not unity gain amplifier. Output is not same as input, but it will be amplified output. Okay, this word is very important. Amplified output on collector terminal. base is connected to the ground, Ri is very low and Ro is very large. Ri means input resistance is low and output resistance is large. Ai is equal to 1. See, this is the most important point. If you will compare with the common collector, Ai will be 1 for common base amplifier, while for common collector AV is equal to 1. Common collector voltage gain is 1 and for common ammeter current gain is 1. No current amplification we will get, but we will get voltage gain high. AV is high. The next feature is AV is high. That means voltage gain is very high. Okay. So these are the important features which are very important. Signal is amplified and output will be on collector. Base is in grounded for AC signals only. Input resistance is low, output resistance is large. Current gain is 1 and voltage gain is high. Applications of common base amplifier. Let's discuss about the application as a high frequency amplifier having large bandwidth. Common base amplifier is used for high frequency amplifiers and impedance matching. No phase reversal. That means 0 degree phase shift between input and output. When you are drawing the waveforms of input versus time and output versus time, it's very interesting that signal will be amplified, means it will be more than input signal. Look at this. The amplitude will be larger than input. Output amplitude is more than input amplitude. Magnitude will be increased. That means signal will be amplified as per the feature. But there is no phase difference. When input will have plus positive cycle, at the same time output will contain the positive cycle. That means 0 degree phase shift between input and output. So these are the waveforms for CB amplifier. So let me repeat again. This is the DC biasing circuit of BJT CB amplifier. CB, that means common base. DC, we are using the voltage divider biasing circuit. Input is given to the ammeter and output is collected from the collector. And this is the pi model. This is the AC equivalent circuit, right? And according to that, I have derived the voltage gain, which is the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage, right? And the final answer is RC upon RE dash. Zin equal to RE dash, and Zin circuit is also considered or assumed as a RE dash. Main features are that the output signal is amplified but no phase reversal. From the waveform you can verify it. Okay. If any doubt you can contact me anytime. Thank you.